We are providing only 20% video as a part of promotion. For remaining 80%, that is 6 to 8 articles, current affairs video and general studies complete videos, please subscribe to our complete package. 1. Indian Basmati rice all set to get GI tag. GS Paper 3, Issues related to agriculture. Why recently in news? The Intellectual Property Appellate Board, IPAB, cleared the decks for issuing the geographical indication tag for Indian Basmati rice grown in some states. Basmati rice cultivated in the Indo-Gangetic plains on the foothills of the Himalayas, covering areas of the rice grown in Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Delhi, UK, Western UP and 2 districts of Jammu and Kathua, will now be issued the GI tag. Why did the litigation filed? The application has been mired in litigation after farmers and exporters and Madhya Pradesh wanted to be included in the list of states approved by the Agricultural and Processed Food Products Export Development Authority, APDA. APDA is the statutory body responsible for export promotion and development of certain scheduled products. The way forward for litigant states. Justice Bashu also ordered the Assistant Registrar to reconsider the issue of addition of areas of basmati cultivation in states such as Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, and Rajasthan. The Assistant Registrar has now been asked to reconsider the matter afresh and listen to arguments of both parties, APDA and the respondents, and pass an order within the next 6 months. Basmati exports in India. In 2014-15, India exported 37 lakh million tons of basmati rice to the world worth Rs 27,597.87 crore and is the world's leading exporter of the rice, according to APDA. India exports a major quantity of basmati rice to Saudi Arabia, Iran, United Arab Emirates, Iraq, and Kuwait. What is a geographical indication? A geographical indication, GI, is a sign used on products that have a specific geographical origin and possess qualities or a reputation that are due to that origin. In order to function as a GI, a sign must identify a product as originating in a given place. In addition, the qualities, characteristics or reputation of the product should be essentially due to the place of origin. Since the qualities depend on the geographical place of production, there is a clear link between the product and its original place of production. India, as a member of the World Trade Organization, WTO, enacted the Geographical Indications of Goods, Registration and Protection Act. 1999 has come into force with effect from 15th of September 2003. What rights does a GI provide? A geographical indication right enables those who have the right to use the indication to prevent its use by a third party whose product does not conform to the applicable standards. For example, in the jurisdictions in which the Darjeeling geographical indication is protected, producers of Darjeeling tea can exclude use of the term Darjeeling for tea not grown in their tea gardens or not produced according to the standards set out in the Code of Practice for the geographical indication. However, a protected geographical indication does not enable the holder to prevent someone from making a product using the same techniques as those set out in the standards for that indication. Protection for a geographical indication is usually obtained by acquiring a right over the sign that constitutes the indication. For what type of products? Geographical indications are typically used for agricultural products, foodstuffs, wine and spirit drinks, handicrafts, and industrial products. How are GIs protected? There are three main ways to protect a geographical indication. So-called sui generis systems, that is, special regimes of protection, using collective or certification marks, and methods focusing on business practices, including administrative product approval schemes.